This one tool has made my old system like a new. So how? Let me show you. Open the Microsoft Store and look for here WinToy, and once you click on that option, I have already installed this WinToy. That is the reason I'm getting the options to open it. But you should get the options to get it. Just click on get, and it's trusted by the Microsoft. That is the reason it is showing up here under the Microsoft Store app. So once you download that, let me show you how it has made my old PC to feel like a new. When I open the WinToy, hit yes, give full permission to it. It may ask you in the first time. When I go to here the apps, okay, and I can see the apps here which are installed on my system. So this is the normal setting it has. Let's come over to the performance tab, and here there we go. Ultimate performance plan, that is up to you. Startup apps, let's click on startup apps, and this is a very important setting. I have disabled all the apps on my system which comes and which starts automatically when I restart my system and whenever I turn on my system. So as you can see, I just left the security health Windows security notification enable and rest of disable all of them. This setting I have done it. Relaunch apps is normal. Background apps I also disable this. You just need to follow the steps which I am showing you to boost your system performance with the just one click tool. Backgrounds apps you can see here. When you go to the system settings, you may mess up with Windows 11 and you are not able to get the options as it is here. You can just toggle it on and off. Visual setting, you can configure it when you click on this option and choose here adjust for best performance, and then choose few settings here. Show taskbar thumbnail previews and enable peak, this option. Smooth edges and screen fonts, this option, and show thumbnail instead of icons. Enable 4 options only here, and then click on apply and then click on OK, and you will see your system is going to boost with the help of this performance and this setting. Now gaming setting, come over to this Windows mode. You can disable it if you don't play any games on your system. I don't play any games, so that is the reason I'm turning it off. Transparency, leave it as it is. Delivery optimization, this is disabled. Make sure you disable this as well. And let's come over to health now. Now fast startup, you can disable it or you can enable it. Disabling it, it's recommended, so you can disable it like this. Now cleanup tool it has also, and you can see there when you click on this option you will see the delete options button here. Temporary locks, system locks, error logs, all are unnecessary files here. You can even Microsoft Store, you can see cache, network cache, and also you can delete the system restore point data on your system. So by this way you should able to free up your system space. Drive optimization, storage sense is on. You can even generate the battery report here, and battery report will be generated in the desktop like this. Now one of the most cool feature it has inbuilt capacity to run the SFC and DISM command on your system. How you can run it, let me show you. Let's come over to this app. Repair. This is the options which I was looking for. You can run the step-by-step command here. Repair. It will repair your system image. Then you can check the SFC command and then check this command. So this is the tool you can have on your system, and you can tweak some changes and you can make your old system feel like new. So this is a video guys, and I hope this video helped you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.